Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about Taapsee Pannu. Taapsee Pannu is known for her impeccable taste and bold fashion statement. Taapsee effortlessly turn ahead, especially with her beach wear. Taapsee is a prominent Bollywood actress, renowned for her versatile role, bring her unique flair to every aspect of her fashion. Born in Delhi, India, Taapsee pursued a career in modeling before making her mark in the film industry. With her debut film in 2010, she is known for her strong performance and outspoken personality. She has become a role model of many young women. In the beach fashion, Taapsee seamlessly blend vibes and contemporary elegance. In one of her iconic looks, she embraced bohemian aesthetic with a vibrant printed bikini pair, elegantly with a flowly high-sit cover-up, adorned with layered necklace and statement earring. Taapsee created an effortlessly yet chic beat, style that resonant with her free-spirited persona, transitioning to a more classic elegance. Taapsee exudes timeless charm in a monochrome bikini set, and halter neck top highlights her sophisticated taste, complemented with oversized sunglasses and a wide-brimmed hat, perfect for elegance, perfect for glamorous seaside days. Taapsee opts for a sporty bikini pair with comfortable shorts and a choose tank top accessories with a trendy visor and sneakers. This ensemble not only showcase her playful side but also reflect her love both fashion and fitness. In a bold moves, Taapsee embraces edgy fashion with a bikini featuring daring printed and strategic cutouts. This look highlights her confidence and adventurous spirit, making a strong statement on the beach. Adorned with a vibrant floral pattern, radiating playful femininity with a wide-brimmed hat and beachy waves. She embraces the tropical vibe, perfect for sunny beach days. Taapsee always plays homage to her retro glamours with a vintage-inspired beach look, featuring high-waisted polka dot bikinis and a crop blouse. Her choice of cat-eye sunglasses adds a nostalgic charm, proving her ability to effortlessly blend old school elegance with modern trends. In other elegant yet understand look, Taapsee opts for a natural toned bikini set with clean lines, accentuating her natural beauty. Paired with styling sandals and oversized beach tote, she creates effortlessly chic appearance, ideal for leisuring beach days. With a pageant for bold color and geometric shape, Taapsee shine in a striking color blocks, bikini symbols. The vibrant hui and stiff design speak volumes about her contemporary beach fashion sense, showcasing her love for bold statement. Taapsee channels her inner tropical goddess in a bold tropical printed bikini, complemented by a following cover-up and a flower crowns. These ethereal symbols capture a sense for a beach paradise, blending whimsical charm with beachside serenity. And the sunset, Taapsee effortlessly blends style with serenity in a sunset hui bikini, reflecting the warm tone of the evening sky. With a loosely draped kimono and dedicated anklets, she exudes relaxed sophistication, perfect for a beachside sunset. Diving into nautical themes, Taapsee embraces cellar aesthetic with a spirited bikini pair and oversized sunglasses add a playful touch, showcasing her ability to infuse fun into her fashion choice. Stepping into fantasy, Taapsee transforms into a mystical mermaid. A mermaid cut bikini combines with the following free skirt, create a magical silhouette, enhancing by glittering body, jewelry, and a shimmering headpiece, turning the beach into her own underwater kingdom. Taapsee effortlessly blend bohemian vibes in a free spirit beach look, featuring a colored bikini with intricate detail, paired with a tight match skirt and chunky bow accessories. Her tousled beach wave optimized carefree elegance, reflecting her bohemian spirit. In a note to vintage Hollywood glamour, Taapsee stunned in a retro-inspired beach. Ensemble featuring a high-waisted bikini and a halter neck top. Her choice of oversized sunglasses and a silk-haired scarf transport, used to the golden era cinematic elegance, highlighted her timeless appear. Taapsee embraced opulent with a leg detail bikini that exude luxury, paired with a halter neck top and low-rise bottom. Her choice of a wide-brimmed hat and statement earring enhance the sophisticated beach look, proving that lake can be statement piece even by the shore. Taking a bold aesthetic approach, Taapsee donned an even guard, beach symbols featuring an abstract print bikini and unconventional accessories and minimalistic styling turned the beach into an art gallery, showcasing fashion as a form of personal expression. Combining bohemian vibes with tribal chic, Taapsee captivate in a beach look, adorned with tribal print and intricate headwork, complemented by a frinted kimono. She create and culturally rich ensembles that celebrate diversity and style. Taapsee dazzle in a futuristic bikini boasting metallic accents and bold geometrical shape, paired with effective sunglass and metallic accessory. She embodies modernity and fashion-forward thinking. Turning ahead whether she goes, exploring whimsical charm, Taapsee embrace a delicate, cute bikini that create a dreamy effect, complemented by steppy sandals that a flower-adorned hairstyle. This look seamlessly blends sensuality with fairy tale allure, making her a vision on the beach. Taapsee take a walk on the wild side with a fierce aminal print bikini that showcases her bold fashion sense, paired with a wide brimmed head's statement heels. She transforms the beach into a runway, proving that animal print are a statement of confidence and style. Radiating sun-kissed elegance, Taapsee captivate a golden bikini adorned with intricate embellishment with the following Sri Duster and metallic sandals. She embodies beachside sophistication, shimmering like a siren under the sunlight. Embracing sustainable fashion, Taapsee opts for a eco-chic beach made from eco-friendly material, complemented by ethnic accessories. She showcases her complemented to style and environmental consciousness, setting a trend for eco-conscious beach fashion. Choosing a bikini with suitable metallic sheen and delicate embellishments, with a flowing sheer duster and metallic sandals, she transformed the beach into a shimmering runway, radiating timeless beauty. In a darling urban jungle explorer book, Taapsee opts for a camouflage bikini with utilitarian detail, paired with cargo-style beach pants. Her choice of aviator sunglass and a wide brimmed hats add rugged urban style to her adventurous beach attire. Embracing oceanic opulence, Taapsee exudes regal charm with a beach ensemble adorned with piers and aquatic inspired embellishment. With an iridescent cover-up and ocean theme accessory, she creates opulent underwater kingdom, embodying beachside loyalty. Inspired by ancient Greek aesthetic, Taapsee challenge goddess like elegance in a draped and shoulder bikini with minimalistic events, paired with flowing beach pants and golden accessory. She transformed the beach into the modern days Olympics, radiating timeless grace, infused carnival spirit into her beach looks. Taapsee dazzled in a bikini with a bold color pattern and playful ruffles, adorned with vibrant accessory. She turned the beach into a lively celebration of a style and joy, capturing the essence of a beachside carnival. Taapsee Pannu beach bikini fashion choice are undoubtedly inspiring, showcasing a variety of style from classic elegance to bold prints, all worn with confidence and grace. So guys, here's some detail of Taapsee Pannu, and if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe Salib Clip for more videos like this.